Town and I have come up with a challenge for you guys at home to try to beat us. Basically what we're doing is we're changing back to the VMRs on the GTI from the winter wheels. We're gonna put summer tires on even though it's supposed to snow tomorrow, but no, whatever. Doesn't matter. Whose car alarm just went off? Whatever. So our challenge is we're gonna take one wheel off, put another wheel on, drop the car, torque it, and that'll be when the time stops. This is gonna be a time challenge. So we're gonna post our time for you guys to beat, and you can make your own videos and send them to us if you probably unlikely beat us. We want to establish some of the rules though. So basically, yeah, go ahead.
Okay, yeah. So basically, timing will start once we start jacking the car up. Once the jack stand is underneath, we want to do all safety precautions.
Yep.
So once the jack stand is underneath the car, that's when we're going to start undoing the wheels. That's what we have to do. And then swap the wheels, and you can do whatever you want. Put the lug nuts back on, and then once the car is dropped and torqued, that's when
time stops.
To summarize, the car must be on the jack stand before you can start taking the lug nuts out. After that, it's pretty much free play, except you cannot impact the lugs back in. That's not happening, because what's going to happen is somebody's going to try to beat us, and they're going to end up cross-threading their wheel bolts, and then they're going to get mad at us. So you cannot use an impact to get the lug nuts back in if you want to try to beat our time. You could do it if you're being careful, but if you're trying to beat our time, no impact back in. Cool?
Well, you can use the impact to like snug it and then like torque it as well, because there's no way.
No snugging.
No snugging?
No.
Okay.
No impact going back in.
Right.
No, when I say go, you go.
Okay, alright.
3, 2, 1, go!
Keep going, keep going, keep going. One more.
And the jack is
Go. Good. Counting wheel. Oh.
money.
Upset. No. Zach, you ready?
Stay down when you're done.
Here we go, and done.
2 minutes.
No, don't give yourself. It's 1:58:27.
1:58:27. 1:58:27.
Okay, are you sure the wheel's on correctly?
Yeah, I am. I am.
Not bad.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I hit the snow. It's so cold. Oh no.
Almost there, almost there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Two more, two more. One more. Thunder, good, good.
Send it. I feel like a pig.
Lugs underneath, lugs underneath.
Good.
3 hours so far.
Just hit a minute.
Ooh!
Just hit a minute, okay.
Go, go, go!
Alright, I'll torque you, let's go. Zach, where are we at? Ready?
123.
Oh, this is gonna be it.
Go, 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 go!
Oh, no, don't lay it down yet.
I'll be done.
Alright, go.
2, 3, 4, 5. Done.
142, alright. So 142,
It's gonna be slower.
142.12. Can you guys beat that? Let us know in the comments below. Post a video if you do beat it. Whew, I'm out of breath. That was good. Nice job, dude.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you for watching. Go out there and try this on your own and spread some positivity. Be safe. Use a jack stand, please. Don't put your safety before beating this, or put your safety above beating this record, please. Don't get hurt doing this. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm so out of breath right now.
You're like, huh.